Do you want to incorporate more physical activity into your workday but struggle to find the time? In our fast-paced world, it's a common challenge. Yet, the importance of physical activity for our overall health and productivity cannot be overstated. Physical activity is the cornerstone of a healthy lifestyle. It enhances our mental clarity, boosts our mood, and strengthens our physical resilience. It's a powerful antidote to the stress and strain of our daily lives. On the flip side, sedentary behaviors, such as sitting for long periods, can pose serious health risks. From back pain and muscle weakness to heart disease and diabetes, the potential health hazards are many. Yet the good news is, incorporating physical activity into our work hours is not as hard as it might seem. It's about making small, smart choices that add up to a big difference over time. In today's video, we will share practical tips and strategies to help you incorporate more physical activity into your workday. One effective strategy is to incorporate walking meetings into your workday. Imagine this. Instead of sitting in a stuffy conference room, you and your colleagues are walking around the block discussing ideas and getting your steps in. That's a walking meeting in a nutshell. Now you might be wondering, how does one implement such a concept? Well, it's simpler than you think. Instead of booking a room for your next meeting, suggest a walk. A change of scenery can spark new thoughts and conversations, but the benefits don't stop at a fresh perspective. Walking meetings can increase your overall physical activity, which is crucial for our health. Plus, walking stimulates blood flow to the brain, which can boost creativity and productivity. So you're not just moving your body, you're also moving your mind. Walking meetings not only get you moving, but also boost your creativity and productivity. So why not try a walking meeting for your next brainstorming session? Another strategy to increase physical activity is to take active breaks throughout the day. Active breaks are short periods of physical exertion, which may include doing a quick set of exercises or even a simple stretch. You don't need to run a marathon, just get your body moving. Imagine this: you've been sitting at your desk, engrossed in a project for a couple of hours. You start to feel a little sluggish, maybe even a bit foggy. This is the perfect time for an active break. Stand up, stretch your arms, take a quick walk around the office, or do some light exercises. The beauty of active breaks is in their benefits. They help to increase your energy levels, clear your mind, and improve your focus. They can even help to reduce stress and burn a few extra calories. So next time when you feel your energy dipping, try an active break. Active breaks can help you refocus and re-energize, making you more productive. A standing desk can also be a great tool to increase physical activity. Now you might ask, how does just standing make a difference? Well, standing desks are designed to get you on your feet. Instead of sitting for long hours, you're actively engaging your muscles to maintain your posture. This simple change can lead to some remarkable benefits. Firstly, it's a fantastic way to improve your posture. By standing, you're more likely to align your head, neck, and spine correctly, reducing the risk of developing back or neck pain. Furthermore, standing desks can help you burn more calories throughout the day. Yes, you heard that right. Standing burns more calories than sitting. It's not a massive amount, but every little bit adds up over time. By incorporating a standing desk into your work routine, you can add more physical activity to your day without even thinking about it. So remember, standing desks can help improve your posture and increase your physical activity while you work. Opting for the stairs instead of the elevator is another easy way to incorporate more physical activity into your workday. Now, let's explore the benefits of this strategy. Taking the stairs is like having a mini gym session. It engages your core, works out your legs, and boosts your heart rate, which can contribute to improved cardiovascular health. It's a fantastic way to keep your heart strong and healthy. Moreover, climbing stairs can burn more calories than jogging or cycling, making it an effective strategy for weight management. And the best part? It doesn't require any special equipment or attire. All it takes is a choice. The choice to skip the elevator and take the stairs. But remember, it's not about rushing. Start with one floor, then gradually increase as your fitness level improves. Before you know it, you'll be taking the stairs like a champ. Taking the stairs can be a simple but effective way to increase your physical activity. Let's recap the strategies we discussed to incorporate more physical activity into your workday. We began with the idea of walking meetings. Instead of sitting down in a conference room, why not take that meeting on the go? It's a simple way to get your body moving, stimulate your mind, and even inspire creativity. Plus, it breaks the monotony of the traditional meeting setup. Next, we delved into the concept of active breaks. Rather than scrolling through social media or grabbing another cup of coffee during your break, consider doing a quick set of exercises. It could be as simple as a few stretches, jumping jacks, or a quick walk around the office. These active breaks not only help you to stay physically active, but they can also help to refresh your mind, keeping you more alert and focused throughout the day. We then explored the benefits of standing desks. Standing for periods throughout your day, rather than remaining seated, can help to reduce the risk of certain health issues, improve your posture, and even boost your energy levels. Don't forget, it's not about standing all day, but alternating between sitting and standing. Lastly, we discussed the strategy of taking the stairs instead of the elevator. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference. Climbing stairs is a great way to build strength in your legs, improve your cardiovascular fitness, and burn more calories than you would by just standing in an elevator. Each of these strategies offers a way to incorporate more physical activity into your workday, and they're all adaptable to fit into your individual routine. Remember, the goal is not to become a marathon runner at work, but to make small, incremental changes that lead to a healthier, more active lifestyle. By incorporating these strategies into your workday, you can improve your health, boost your productivity, and feel better overall. So why not give them a try?